Can you believe we're cooking? Hey y'all, thanks for stopping by. We're cooking out by the lake today. We're gonna do something super cool. We're gonna try to cook in this little tiny 3-inch flower pot with just one charcoal briquette. And if that is not funny enough, we're gonna set this thing on fire with some Fritos. You gotta be kidding me. Hang around, this is gonna be fun. Hey, let me tell you about this flower pot. It comes from an old cowboy named Keith. And Cowboy Keith sent this to us with some modifications. Yeah, you know Keith, like Keith Richards. By the way, my favorite Rolling Stone song, Angie. This is going to be a super fun cook because Cowboy Keith made some modifications. You've got an air intake. Not only do we have the hole here in the bottom, but this air intake is going to get more oxygen to the one single briquette. And we got a copper grill here that he made that comes on and off, and there's a charcoal holder right here and inside. So thanks, we got to give a super shout out to Cowboy Keith for sending us this cool flower pot, and we're going to light it up with some Fritos. Let's see how this works. So you're telling me that we can take a Frito and set it on fire? How cool is that? Fritos are flammable. So we're going to put this in our charcoal. You know what? I might add a couple more since they're not as big as a Dorito. We'll add a couple of Fritos in there. And we're going to put this charcoal brick in there right there on top. Oops. Can you believe this? This is super cool. Man, you talk about a snack with multi-purposes. It's been about 10 minutes and we're starting to see some good ash former on this thing, and it's actually sustaining itself. The Fritos are gone. I promise I didn't eat them. You can see some of the black char left down in there, but it was enough to light this briquette. And now it's just a matter of, will this thing put off enough heat? Can we cook an egg? Can we cook a hamburger? Stick around, let's find out. I added our copper clamp-on grill, and we're going to see what kind of heat we can get out of this thing. I think, you know, I would love for these ash to be much more developed before I put any meat on the grill. But what if I put a frying pan on this grill? So we're going to put this here, and we'll see what kind of BTUs we can get put out of there. Maybe we can fry an egg in that whopper of a frying pan. What do you think? 193 degrees. And briquette's putting out 243 degrees if I hit that. Let's see if I can get down in that pot right there. I'm gonna see if this frying pan is hot enough to fry an egg. Now this is right out of the refrigerator, so I'm sure it's gonna cool it down a little bit, but. Okay. We definitely would like to have a well-cooked egg. Maybe we'll scramble it, but I can tell you right now, I don't like liquid chicken. It's been about 15 minutes, and it's actually definitely starting to cook the white of that egg, but not so much the liquid chicken part. So we give it a dash or two of some salt and pepper. I don't know, would you eat this egg like this? I know some of you like to just, I don't know, make a gooey mess out of that and run it all over bread and toast. Is that how you roll? Not this cowboy. What kind of mess am I about to make a colossal mess? I think we have us a perfectly cooked egg, and actually this handle is too hot to hold, so we're definitely getting some thermal output. And then perfect egg McMuffin egg right here. I'm gonna have to devour this egg. I'm gonna try a hamburger patty and see what happens. Hope we can hear some sizzle here in a few minutes. Hear that sizzle? For shizzle. Charcoal briquette looks like it's still intact. It could be a crumbly mess, I don't know. And our hamburger experiment, it is about time till we do a flip. What do you think? I think she's still alive. I think there's some life in there. Let's give it a little blow. A little fresh oxygen. Can you say oxygen? Can Can you believe we're cooking 80-20 chuck roast hamburger, baby, on a flower pot this big? I mean, I'm talking this tall, on one single charcoal briquette that we started by lighting some Fritos on fire. This is a fun cook. Man, I got so many comments the last time we tried this. We did it with a Dorito and 3 briquettes, and tens of thousands of you watched, gave me all kind of good ideas. Said, hey, I bet you can do it too. Hey, I bet you can do it with one. This is super cool. This little bitty flower pot. Hey y'all, thanks for stopping by.